right, here is 28 Boulder Brook Drive. We flew to it real quick. Just want to show you the roof and the backyard and the neighborhood. So this street is actually a U, so you can pretty much loop all the way around, and just a very nice pocket of North Wilmington. So taking some of the shots, I think I mentioned in the walkthrough video, there was one, I want to say 10 houses down, that sold a couple months ago. So I actually have some drone footage of when it was snowing back in the day. So there you go. Here's some great roof shots. I think I'm gonna add in just a little bit of flying around the neighborhood just to give you a sense. There really are a lot of trees here in a good way, especially in the middle section, and perfect timing. You're gonna get to see those. So spoiler alert too, this house is a true 5-bedroom house. So anybody looking for 5 bedrooms, you know, this should be on your list, and really has, you know, a lot of potential in general. So take that in. We're gonna bring you back down and then into the front of the house. And another shout out to Regan. I think I do it in the video itself, but definitely a great agent. And here we go. We're gonna get you inside momentarily with this slow video, and there you are. All right, 28 Boulder Brook Drive here in Wilmington, Delaware. And you gotta check this out. I'll do a little flyover. This street just wraps around. There's one back there not too long ago that sold. So I do have some drone footage of when it was snowy. But by the way, this is Regan's listing. She's with Berkshire. Awesome person. Just to give a shout out to her and let you fully be aware. All right, so 2-car garage. We're gonna head right in. Gonna have a little assistant pop in here and help me out from time to time, so don't be alarmed. So pavers here. There he is, being a ninja. Brick, and by the way, let me take a step back. You have some gutter guards here. Really like the dormers. And a newer, we'll check the disclosure, I think I sent that to you already, 3D architectural shingled roof. So there we are, in we go. All right, and hand sanitizer at the ready, shoes off. We'll let our assistant come on in. Head on in, you can help. Shoes off too, when we don't touch anything. So as soon as you come in, you see the hardwood floors. Should be a coat closet here. I like to just see what's going on. Yep, coat closet there. And here you go. So let's head this way. Should be a wood burning fireplace. I say that and then watch, you'll see a pilot light. Yeah, no, I'm gonna double check that one. I don't see the pilot light, but they were meticulously stacked in there. So you do have crown molding, some built-ins there, and let's head around. Big window there, so you can see. All right, spin around slowly so you get the feel of this place. Here is the dining room, goes into the kitchen. And here, if we can head on out, let's see if it's locked. It is locked, so we will lock it again when we leave. Always leave a place as you found it. And don't try to open a door when you have hand sanitizer on your hand, because that makes it really hard. There you go, see? It's the real world. We have trouble sometimes. Cool, so screened in porch. They're actually windows. Yeah. Interesting. So that's good. I'm gonna push on that just gently so you can see, but it's basically plastic. So this will go out to the backyard, we'll save that. And then it looks like it'll take you, let's just focus in on this. Cool. So that's the side, and I'll take you right into the garage. So 2-car garage. Wow, high ceilings, a lot of storage if you want that. And let me just see what we got here. We got 2 cars, lots of storage here. Ooh, very cool. All right, so that's that. Let's head on back. You'll see the porch one more time. Again, this is to help you visualize it and get it all set up. Let's lock that, leave it exactly how we found it. All right, cool. So into the kitchen. Kitchen, newer cabinets. Should be an LED light. All right, brighten it up just a little bit. Window there to look in the back. Dishwasher. Cool cabinet there. We're gonna back up, show you. So electric cooking, and the fridge is here. We'll spin around. Dine-in area, and that'll take you out to the back, which is nice and flat with a deck. So great yard. Just let you get your bearings. That's where we came in the front, so we completed that. Around here, we have a full bath on the first level. Nice. Definitely think they're original tiles. I'll double check for you. But nice, neat, and clean. And then we're gonna have 2 bedrooms. So they're not using this as a bedroom, but it certainly can be with the closet. Newer windows, vinyl double clasp. Let me spin around in this corner so you get your bearings. Ceiling fan. All right, good size too. And then we're gonna say bedroom number 2 down here. 2 windows. All right, seems like a solid wooden door, not a 6-panel. All right, that should be the entire main level, except this little linen closet. It's not that little, pretty deep. All right, well, tell you what, let's venture down to the basement and see what we have here. First of all, maybe the light is outside here. Nope, we're venturing down without a light. We're getting crazy. So, here we go. It is finished. And the light switch is here. Okay. Windows there. This may hide the water meter. And it does. There's your water meter. That's newer. You can see the center blocks. So it's block construction. I'm 5'10", so plenty of clearance here. And even here. So, just to give you perspective. And then, oh yeah, just storage. Not prodding into anybody's stuff, just showing you the storage we have. Cool, and under there. So let me spin around. We got our helper sneaking around. I love it. So 2 doors. Let's pick this door. See where it goes. The unfinished section. Awesome. It is nice. So sump pit there. Here is your HVAC. It's a Lennox. High efficiency. You see the 2 pipes. So that's definitely newer. Looks like it's been serviced by Sobieski. So good, local, reputable company. Washer and dryer, of which it's electric. So electric dryer. We'll go around here. You have double sink there. Hot water heater is gas fed. We spin around, get your bearings. Electric panels there. It's open. It is, I'm going to double check on that. I'm not going to quote the amperage. Probably 150 is my guess, but again, we'll see on the disclosure. And this completes the little loop. There you go, surprise! You didn't know I was coming that way. So let's, again, leave it as we found it. We'll spin around. So nice, you got a lot of storage down here, don't you agree, young sir? And a finished section. And
upstairs is awesome.
Yeah, we'll go up there. I did not compliment here, so good storage. I see some board games there. All right, some storage here. Great utilization of space. Back into the kitchen. We'll wait for him. Shut the door. Follow me, please. And up we go. So, already had an inkling from him that the upstairs is awesome. I like that. So remember, we have 2 bedrooms downstairs. So this is going to be bedroom number 3 in the house. That is a queen bed. Hardwood floors continue. All right. And it looks like we got a full bath there. Good sized closet. Might be a little dark. All right, we got the light on. You got to see this. And look, I almost made it. So big walk-in closet. And it looks like, I'm not going to open this, but there's going to be extra space there. So let's back out.
Yep.
Turn the closet. Turn the light out.
And there's 2 more bedrooms.
2 more bedrooms. We're getting the heads up. So let's continue this way. We don't want to miss the bathroom. So full bathroom. Again, my guess is original tiles, but the sink and the toilet are updated. It's a shower. So let me spin around and show you. A lot of North Wilmington has this size. So tiled all the way up to the ceiling. I'll back you out of there. And remember, 2 bedrooms downstairs. Here, we're in the 3rd bedroom. And this, I would almost say, is a primary bedroom because you have that bathroom. So, solid door. All right, so we're up to 3 bedrooms. And we got 4 and 5. Let's go in 4. Oh, this is big. Plenty of space for an office in there. Bed is situated, in my opinion, perfectly there. Got your sleeping quarters, and then a big room. Nice built-ins. Let's explore a little bit. We have a closet here. Remember, hand sanitizer on the glove at all times. Just out of respect, keeping everything clean and neat. All right, nice nook here too. And then this is it. So this is bedroom 5. Wow, bedroom 5. Again, let me spin you around.
It also looks like this person was watching the Harry Potter movies.
Okay. All right, hey. Okay, just seeing it for space, closet. Good observation there, young man. And then I believe we missed this bathroom. So here, well, that floor still works. Again, original tiles, but black and white. And I do believe all this is original, but kept, you know, very nice. All right, that's the whole house. Besides this mystery door, which is a linen closet.
Yeah.
You missed something. All right, let's head on out.
Look. Next up right in out the doors.
That's all right. Yeah, you don't want to touch anything, so thank you. All right. Very nice house. 5 bedrooms are not
Let's
a
go
done.
check out the backyard.
We are. We're going to go out the front. Follow me. So again, you can see the neighborhood here in the pavers. Take it in. And I think that one is right down there, the red house. Hop one down. That was sold a few months back. So here's the 2-car garage you can see from here. And one thing I tell you, looks like all these houses are slightly different, which is nice. All right, let's head over here. Cool, so no fence. By the way, we didn't really just check the siding. That looks like, I'll double check the disclosure. All right, so that's the screened in area that leads to the garage. Here's your backyard that is flat. Good trees for privacy there, and a fence in the back that probably the neighbor's fence. So there's a Lennox AC unit, so matches the HVAC in the basement. You have a nice deck coming out here. Be curious how the sun is. I think an awning would be nice there, and then a pool. What do you say? I'm sorry, what'd you say, big guy? Oh, there you go. So again, for a pool, somebody would need a fence.
You could definitely dig it out.
You could. Well, I'm going to say always do your own due diligence. I will certainly help. But I don't see anything personally that would not allow you to put in a pool. So do your own due diligence, but everything looks pretty good right now. There's that door into the kitchen and the deck. Your electric meter's right there. Let's keep going. All right, maneuver around here. Nice. Nice landscaping. Cool brickwork there. Gutters are tied in, then they come out there. Always important to manage water. A lot of times if a basement does get water in it, it's because of grading around the property. All right, well, what do you say? We're gonna continue this by taking to the skies.